As a longtime innovator and partner to the construction industry, Simpson Strong-Tie brings you the full line of Monet DeSauw industrial saws for truss component manufacturing. Whether you're cutting floor webs, cords, stair stringers, rafters, or wedges, Monet DeSauw equips you to make high-quality wood framing components with speed and precision. Led by the DeRobo and DeSawyer, our solutions range from simple push-button operation all the way to fully automated linear and servo-driven saws. To optimize the cutting sequence, you can design, batch, and create cut files with Simpson Strong-Tie Component Solution software or your current system. Plus, the patented Monet DeSauw Auto Stacker makes material handling fast and efficient. It's easy to get your team up and running. Every saw comes with fast installation service and onboarding programs, plus in-depth staff training and ongoing technical support. Along with advanced cutting equipment and software, Simpson Strong-Tie provides industry-leading truss plates, hardware, and professional truss design services. Altogether, it's an integrated solution designed to increase productivity and boost efficiency end-to-end, from idea to installation. Transform your truss operation with Monet DeSauw and all of the component manufacturer solutions from Simpson Strong-Tie. To learn more, contact your representative at 800-999-5099 or visit strongtie.com/component solutions.